Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to enable and disable text-to-speech for party chats on Xbox Series X. So whenever this feature is enabled, you'll notice that whenever you send a text to the party, it will read out loud with a robotic voice, or depending on the voice that you have chosen, it will read out loud that particular text. So you can enable this and disable this feature from the Xbox settings. So all you have to do is power on the console and access the home screen. And then from here, select the settings icon that appear on top of the screen to access the all settings. And then scroll down and select accessibility. And then within accessibility, choose game and chat transcription. And then you'll be prompted to type in your PIN if you have one. So type in your PIN. Then give it a few seconds. And then from here, you'll find the option text to speech under the party chat options. So as you can see, mine has been enabled. So if you want to disable it, simply select on it and that will uncheck that option. If you want to enable it back, simply select on it and it will select that it will enable that feature. So that's basically it on how to enable and disable this feature on your Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.